Hey guys, this is Megan Ballage with the Ashley Pederson team at Promo Realty. I'm super excited to give you all a look into my newest listing. It's located at 1422 Willcoxon Drive. It's a beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and it's packed with features you're going to love, including real hardwood floors throughout the home, fresh interior paint, a fully updated bathroom with a brand new shower, and it's even got a newly installed AC unit and a new deck off the side of the home that is perfect for grilling. So this is a first-time homebuyer's dream. You are not going to want to miss getting your own showing scheduled today.